Hello and welcome to Penelope Darbari, the poison dart frog. And there she is, my friends. She is a beautiful frog, but she is quite poisonous. So don't be touching her and then licking your fingers, because guess what? Yeah, you'll die. That's not good. Anyway, listen up. Hey, this is an on your own problem, which means you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Penelope Darbari, the poison dart frog, loves to eat mosquitoes. As a matter of fact, Penelope thinks mosquitoes taste even better than ribeye steak. What? You say that? Can't be. Ribeye steak is my own personal favorite meal of all times, my friends. I can't even imagine eating a mosquito instead. That's gross. Anyway, let's move on with our scenario. Penelope ate 5,009 mosquitoes last month. Scratch that. Oops, I forgot. 5,409. That's even more mosquitoes. Anyway, she ate that many mosquitoes last month. If each mosquito weighed 2.5 grams, let's go ahead and write that down. Whoops, I need the pencil for that. 2.5 grams. Then how many grams of mosquitoes did Penelope Darbari, the poison dart frog, eat? Well, my friends, this is a multiplication problem. We're multiplying 5,409 by 2.5. And let's go ahead and see how we would do that. The very first thing I always like to do is write my counting by the numbers. And so I've got my 2's written here and my 5's written here. I always do the smaller number. That way, if you don't know all your multiplication facts, you can use your counting by the numbers to help you solve this problem. All right, the next thing I do is write down the 5,409 up on top, and then I make 2 area boxes. So I'll make my first one right below that, and we'll go right there. And then I'm going to make another one right below the first one, and we go right there, and bam! Now, I'm going to take this 2.5 and I'm going to break it into 2.0 plus 0.5. Superb! And now I'll use my area boxes to multiply. So I'll start with 5 times 5,409. 5 times 9. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 45. I will drop the 5 and carry the 4. So I'll drop the 5 right there and carry the 4 right there. Next, I move on to 5 times 0. Well, that's 0. Plus 4 is going to give me 4. So I'll drop my 4 right there and I move right along. 5 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to give me 20. I'll drop the 0 and carry the 2. So I'll drop the 0 here and carry the 2 right up there. And now I'm on to my last multiplication for this area box. 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 25. But I've got to add this 2 in here. So I've got 27 now. I'll drop the 7 and the 2. And now I'm all done with this area box and ready to move down here. I'm going to start with the 0. 0 times any number will give me 0. So I'll drop that 0. Now you can also think of this 0 here as just a place value holder for this 0 over here, which is holding the place value for the tenths place, because the 5 already took care of that, right? Superb. All right, move on here. And 2 times 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 18. I will drop the 8 and carry the 1. Drop that 8 and carry that 1. Superb. And now 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is going to give you 1. So I'll drop this 1. And then I move right along, my friends. 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to give me 8. So I'll drop my 8 right there. Bam! There you have it. And finally, 2 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is going to give you 10. And I will drop the 0 and the 1. And now I'm all done with all my multiplication. I've got to just add these bad boys, right? And then count my loopy-doops. And then I'm all done. I love it. All right, so first, let's make a little bit of room. And then I'm going to start right here with 5 plus 0, Well, super simple. That's going to give me 5. Then I've got 4 plus 8, which will give me 12. I'll drop my 2 and carry my 1 right there. Next, I have 1 and 1, which is going to give me 2. Drop that. And then I've got 7 plus 8, which will give me 15. I'll drop my 5 and carry my 1 right there. And then I got 1 plus 2 is going to give me 3. And then finally, I just dropped this last 1 and bam! There you have it, my friends. Now, all I have to do is count my loopy-doops. Now, if you notice, up on top here, I don't have any decimal points, so I don't have to count any there. But right here, and remember, you always do just this top and this top. So I've got just this top here. I've got, ready to count with me? Here we go, my friends. I've got 1 loopy-doop. Bam! It's all done, right? So then I come down here, and from the far right, I just go 1 loopy-doop, and that's going to be right where I place my decimal point. And then I got to come over here and put my comma in there, and I got 13,522.5, otherwise known as 13,522 and 5/10, right? So let's go ahead and look now. What does that mean? Well, that means that Penelope here, the poison dart frog, has eaten 13,522 and a half, right? Because 0.5 is the same as a half, grams of mosquitoes. Hey, thank you, Penelope, because those suckers would be biting me if you didn't eat them, and I appreciate that. All right. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.